We are in Aksaray. It is very close to Sultanahmet, the Beyazıt Yeni Kapı area. It's the center of the city. Here they have many local restaurants from different cuisine. Mostly the kebabs, lahmacun, and there is a place called Beyzade which is famous with its lahmacun. They are from Urfa city. We're gonna see and taste it. The first street food comes to mind. So I'm in front of Beyzade Kebab to try lahmacun. It is one of the first known Turkish food you can think of. It has thin crust. They call it like Turkish pizza, but I think we have to call it with its own name. The name comes from an Arabic name. Lah means meat and ajun. Ajin means hamur, the dough. It is made from dough and meat with a thin crust. Very thin beef mixture that has fresh vegetables, peppers, parsley and onion. You should taste, I should say. So let's go in. This is the lahmacun. This is small one if you want to taste. These are also popular. He says soğan kebabı, onion kebab. And these are the acısız, painless yazmışlar. They wrote the spicy, not hot version as a painless kebab because in Turkish we call acılı. Acı means also pain and at the same time it means hot. But right now I'm not sure how to describe a food that is not hot. What would you call? It is not about spice, it is about the hotness of the dish. Anyway, we came to get the lahmacun, so we're gonna have lahmacun.
Urfa 35 yıllıktır.
Nereli?
Urfa Birecik'te. Bu meşhur kel aynak olduğu yer.
Sarı buğday
Evet.
mısır mı?
22 altı.
Ha, ince 20.
22 altı. Domates, maydanoz, tuz etinden. Fırınımız odun ateşinde.
It's a lamb meat and they cook it in the fire oven.
İki acılı. Buranın iki acılı. Acayip kolay için.
Finally, I'm gonna taste it. It looks very crispy, hot. I don't want it to be cool down. So let's dig in. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's not brown. Okay, this is the second one, but it gets cold in a short time, so you have to be fast. I'm not like that, but it is still flaky. You see? So let me show you how you eat. You always get some greens like this. Usually they add tomato as well. You put some from the onion, they add sumac to onion. Have some chopped lettuce and some parsley. And over that drizzle lemon. If you want it extra hot, you can add more red pepper flakes. And here we go. You just roll. have a bite. Olurdu. Sizinki bir de Urfa sadece soğan.
Soğan koyarlar. Soğan et
Siz biraz
şeklinde.
sarımsak da koyduğunuz için.
Sarımsak da var, soğan da var bizimkinde.
Ama sarımsak oranı yani
Az. Antep usulünde sırf sarımsak yani.
Evet.
Sarımsak.
Urfa'da sırf soğan oluyor. Siz
Tabii.
ikisini de. Böreklik oluyor.
Aha. Böreklik.
Onun dışında ama maya bir şey yok herhalde.
Yok. Lahmacunda mayalı hamur kullanmıyoruz. Maya vurmuyoruz lahmacuna. Maya vuran var ama biz kullanmıyoruz.
So far I recommend this lahmacun place. It's really delicious, but you have to eat right away. It is very thin and it gets cold in no time. As an extra, we got some kadayıf going, so we're gonna taste it. We had walnut kadayıf. It was really crispy on top. Had enough walnuts in it, but still I would prefer to eat in another place that specializes in making kadayıf or künefe next time. As for the lahmacun, I told the owner that we do make at home and share the recipe with others, so you can also make it if you can't come to Turkey or don't have a restaurant where you live. He told me the most important thing would be to make the dough, because they use special flour for making börek, which creates a flaky result, and also the wood fire oven makes it different, but still you can imitate. I think it is possible, and you get like 80% taste of lahmacun, which results very good comparing to home kitchen appliances and ingredients you have. So give it a try, my recipe. In the upcoming episodes, I will continue to share popular street foods of Turkey and take a closer look, search for the best ones and how you can make the home versions of them. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications, and see you next time. Bye. It is from 1960s.